Did you know? By the end of 2025, over 80 million jobs worldwide could be replaced by AI and automation. But wait, this isn't just bad news. It could be the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's changing our lives faster than ever: AI and automation. In 2025, these technologies are no longer the future. They are the present, and they're already reshaping the way we work, live, and earn money. So, are robots taking our jobs, or are they opening new doors? Let's break it down in simple words. Part 1. What is AI and automation? Let's start with the basics. AI, artificial intelligence, means machines that can think, learn, and make decisions. Automation means machines doing tasks without human help, like robots in factories or chatbots online. These tools are being used in almost every industry, from banking and education to transport and customer service. Part 2. Which jobs are at risk? Now let's talk about jobs. Some jobs are easily replaceable by machines, especially data entry, cashiers, telemarketers. Basic customer support assembly line work. AI can do these tasks faster, cheaper, and without breaks. But here's the truth. Even white-collar jobs like journalism, graphic design, and legal research are seeing AI competition, and it's not slowing down. Part 3. Which jobs are safe or growing? Here's the good news. Not all jobs are going away. In fact, many are growing thanks to AI. AI engineers and machine learning experts, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, AI trainers, mental health professionals, creative jobs, music, film, branding, skilled trades, plumbers, electricians. Human creativity, emotion, and judgment can't be replaced yet. Also, new industries are forming where jobs didn't exist before. Part 4. How should you prepare? So how can you survive and thrive in this AI-driven world? Here are 5 simple tips. Learn tech basics. No need to become a programmer, but understand how AI works. Focus on soft skills like creativity, leadership, communication. Keep learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube can help you upgrade. Think about freelancing or remote work. Digital skills are in demand globally. Follow AI trends, so you don't get surprised when things change. The key is, don't fear AI, learn to work with it. Part 5. Real-world examples. Let's take a look at real-life changes. Amazon uses robots in warehouses. McDonald's is testing AI drive-thrus. GPT-powered chatbots are replacing some customer support jobs. AI is writing code, music, and even books now. But at the same time, AI companies are hiring like crazy. Startups in AI education, ethics, and security are booming. Individuals using AI tools are becoming 10 times more productive. So it's a double-edged sword, but if you use it wisely, it's a huge advantage. AI and automation are not coming. They're already here. Yes, they will replace some jobs, but they will also create new ones and enhance many others. Those who adapt will grow. Those who ignore it may fall behind. So ask yourself, are you preparing for the change or waiting to be replaced? Subscribe for more powerful content like this, and let me know in the comments. What do you think about AI and jobs in 2025?